Throughout the ages, there have been great empires and civilizations that have risen up, their creators ruling nations, regions, and continents for hundreds, even thousands of years. Some of the great legacies and accomplishments of these empires may be lost in the mists of time, but from what they have left behind in rock and ruin, we can trace remarkable stories. In the 7th century, a great new religion was born and rose up in the deserts of what is now Saudi Arabia. Over the next 1,000 years, Islam would spread out from its birthplace.
Suddenly, within 4 years, they've toppled the Persian Empire and taken half the Byzantine Empire. It's an extraordinary moment in history.
Within 200 years, the religion had spread from its base in Arabia throughout the Middle East and North Africa, and then through the Moors into southern Spain and Portugal. By the 13th century, it had spread through the Ottomans into Eastern Europe, and by the 15th, through the Mughals to India. In this episode of Empire Builders, we explore 10 sites that made history as we chart the rise and fall of these great Muslim empires.